Breaker 19, and this here's the Rubber Duck. You got a copy on me, Pigpen? Come on. Yeah, 10-4 Pigpen, for sure. By golly, it's clean clear to Flagtown. Come on. Yeah, it's a big 10-4 there, Pigpen. Yeah, we've definitely got a front door, good buddy. Mercy sakes alive, looks like we got us a convoy.
It was the dark of the moon on the 6th of June, and a Kenworth pulling logs. Cab overbeat with a reefer on, and a Jimmy hauling hogs. We was headed for Bear on I-10, about a mile out of Shaky Town. I said, Pigpen, this here's a Rubber Duck, and I'm about to put the hammer down.
Pigpen, this here's the Duck, and you want to back off them hogs? 10-4 Roger, about 5 miles or so. 10 Roger, them hogs is getting intense up here.
By the time we got into Tulsa town, we had 85 trucks in all. But there's a roadblock up on the Cloverleaf, and them bears is wall to wall. Yeah, them Smokies was thick as bugs on a bumper. They even had a bear in the air. I says, calling all trucks, says, here's the Duck. We're about to go a-hunting bear.
Give me a 10-9 on that Pigpen. Negatory, Pigpen, you're still too close. Yeah, them hogs are starting to close up my sinuses. Mercy's sakes, you better back off another 10.
Well, we rolled up Interstate 44 like a rocket sled on rails. We tore up all of our swindle sheets and left them setting on the scales. By the time we hit that Chi-town, them bears is a-getting smart. They brought up some reinforcements from the Illinois National Guard. There was armored cars and tanks and jeeps and rigs of every size. Yeah, them chicken coops was full of bears and choppers filled the skies. But we shot the...
Welcome to the jungle. typen som er svag for sport, men bare på skjermen og bare når vi vinner. Da har du problemer. Ifølge Pianet Hjerneforbundet. Men du er ikke alene. Vi er mange som har det sånn. Folkens, jeg kommer med nyheter. Jeg må be om absolutt stillhet. Ventetida er over. Det kommer til å falle snø i natt. Her kommer vinteren. Her kommer den kalde, fine tida. Her kommer vinteren. Endelig fred å få. Er du av typen som lar deg irritere av folk som alltid skal imponere? Har du et kjøleskap, har du en TV, så har du alt du trenger for å leve full. Her kommer vinteren. Her kommer den kalde, fine tida. Her kommer vinteren. Endelig fred å få.
I got a star on my car and a wound on my chest, a gun on my hip and the right to arrest. I'm the guy who's the boss on this highway, so watch out what you're doing when you're driving my way. If you break the law, you'll hear from me. I know I'm working for the state. I'm the highway patrol. Well, you'll know me when you see me, 'cause my door's painted white, my siren is screaming and my flashing red light. I work all day and I work all night, just to keep her on order, trying to do what's right. If I write you out a ticket, then you better drive slow. I'm just doing my job, I'm the highway patrol. I'm the highway patrol, the highway patrol. My hours are long and my pay is low, but I'll do my best to keep you driving slow. I'm just doing my job, I'm the highway patrol. Driving too fast like you shouldn't do, you can bet your boots I'm coming after you. If you want to race, then get on a racetrack, or if you try to run away, I'm gonna bring you back. Here to keep all the speeders driving slow, I'm just doing my job, I'm the highway patrol. I'm the highway patrol. patrol, highway patrol. My hours are long and my pay is low, but I'll do my best to keep you driving slow. I'm just doing my job, I'm the highway patrol. I'm just doing my job.